Today we have the 2022 Ford Ranger. This vehicle has done just over 53,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that it is a crew cab with 5 seats in total, all of which are black leather. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen, we can access valet mode, ambient lighting, full pass connect, Apple CarPlay, emergency assistance, mobile apps, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. This Ford Ranger also comes with lane assist, hill descent control, and 3 different driving modes to choose from.